Hi everyone! Today I'll be walking you through the Namecoach Chrome extension. So your first step will be looking at where you'll launch this extension. What you'll want to do is open an email and pop open a contact card. You can do so by hovering over a person's email. Now that this contact card is open, you see this purple text box icon, which is the Namecoach icon. Clicking that icon launches the extension for you. Now this is my personal name. As you can see here, there's an audio icon with a key in the bottom corner, which indicates this is a self-recorded name, so the name owner recorded that name. I do also have the microphone here, which if I haven't recorded my name yet, or if I wanted to re-record my name, I would click on. As you can see, it pops open this instruction box. Once I'm ready to record my name, I'll go ahead and click start, and I'll see a countdown. You're going to want to make sure to allow access to your microphone. Kylie Lecklighter. I have a few different options here, so one of the most important is listening to your pronunciation you just recorded. If I think something sounds off with my pitch, I can open the pitch slider feature here and adjust it as needed. I thought mine sounded fine, so I'm going to go back. I can also re-record if I wasn't satisfied with my recording. I can close out, or I can save my pronunciation. I'm going to save my pronunciation. And if you wanted to listen back to it, you would just navigate to this audio icon and click. If I want to listen to the name pronunciation of someone else within my email thread, I'm going to go ahead, hover over their email, pop open this contact card, launch Namecoach, and click the audio icon. The Namecoach Chrome extension is not only available within your Gmail inbox, but also within the calendar view. It's going to work pretty similarly. What I'm going to want to do is open one of my meetings. Again, hover over an email, launch the Namecoach extension. And as you can see here, Bill's contact card looks a little bit different, and that's only because he hasn't recorded his name quite yet. So as you can see, there is a microphone up here. If I know how to pronounce Bill's name, I can contribute a peer recording to my community that the colleagues within my organization would be able to listen to. It would be very similar to when I recorded my own name. Just click the microphone, record, and save. I do also have a few different options here for Bill. So I have this drop-down menu that shows me different dialects. We're going to listen to a couple of them. If I know that second option is how Bill pronounces his name, I can use this bookmark function. And now anytime I work with Bill, that pronunciation will be saved at the top for me to listen to. I do also have the microphone options here for both Bill's first name and last name, again, where I could contribute a peer recording to my community. I do also want to point out in this audio icon, you see the library book in the bottom corner, which will show you that that is from the Namecoach library. That's the basics of the Namecoach Chrome extension. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Namecoach support. Thank you.